Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money on Chime. Now there are various ways that you can use to transfer money on Chime, and the first method that you can use is you can directly set up direct deposit. In order to set up direct deposit, you can start the process in the Chime application under Move Money option, and then you can select the option of set up direct deposit. You can set up direct deposit in a few ways. First, you can do it in the application. Secondly, you can sign up through your employer or benefit portal. After that, you can even get a completed form. So you can choose any of the options in order to set up direct deposits, and once these are set up successfully, you will be able to easily transfer money on Chime. Now here are some other ways that you can use to move money on Chime. The first is of make an instant transfer. In order to do so, you need to link a debit card by adding a debit card number, and then you will be able to move money into Chime instantly. For that, you need to head to move money option in the Chime application. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. After that, you will be asked to link a debit card, so you just have to provide your debit card details and simply click on add. Once done, it will show you to confirm your transfer, so you just have to confirm your transfer. In the second method, you can transfer from another account in the Chime app. For that, you just have to log in into Chime application and then tap on transfers under move money. Then you need to enter the username and password for your other account. After that, you need to transfer your money and you will be access to the funds within 5 business days. In the third method, you can transfer from another account's app or website. So you can also move money from your previous bank from their app or website. Here is how you can do this. First of all, you need to log in into your previous financial institution's website or app. So for example, if you were using Chase mobile banking app, then you just have to launch Chase. After that, you need to look for the menu items that says something like transfer funds or add external account. When prompted, you need to add your Chime checking account number and bank routing number, which you will be able to find under settings and then account info in the Chime application. While the transfer time will depend on your old bank's policies, you will usually see the money in your Chime checking account within a few business days. Next method that you can use is you can deposit cash. So Chime can make it easy to add cash to your account at 8,000 plus Walgreens locations for free. So you can also deposit money through other retail partners in over 75,000 locations, which is more than you would have using any walk-in bank in the US. You need to keep in mind that retailers other than Walgreens might impose their own fees or transaction limits, so you need to be sure to ask before you start your transaction. Here is how you can deposit the cash. First of all, you need to launch your Chime mobile application. Then you need to tap on Move Money tab in the bottom. After that, you need to select the option of Deposit Cash. Once done, you need to tap on the location near you to find the nearest walk-in retail location. Then you need to hand the cashier your cash and have them scan the barcode on the deposit cash screen. You can also have item swipe your Chime Visa debit card or credit builder card. Some retailers may set their own deposit limits, so you need to check with the cashier on the maximum amount you can deposit per transaction. So these were some of the methods that you can use to transfer your money on Chime. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.